Hi everybody, Ryan with Wise Home Energy talking about heat pump systems, specifically cold climate air source heat pump systems. We're standing right in front of them right here. This is something that we did install, and I just want to talk a little bit about how they work and why you might want to choose one for your next heating and cooling upgrade in your house. So instead of a conventional gas, propane, or oil furnace, you can go with a all-electric cold climate heat pump system that will provide heating and cooling throughout your home. This outdoor unit right now is on in heating mode and it's blowing as hard as it can. So this is as loud as you're going to hear it. What it's doing is extracting heat out of the outdoor air through this coil and putting it into the refrigerant lines, sending it inside the house, and that heat is being distributed through the home to make sure it's comfortable. In the wintertime, it's going to act just like an air conditioner. That refrigerant cycle is going to go in reverse. It's going to actually be sending heat from inside your home out through this fan, and it's going to be blown away out into the outdoors, and that's what's going to help cool your house. Depending on where you're located, we do recommend putting these on tall stands to keep them out of the snow depth that you might get in your area. And you want to make sure that you're draining away any condensate from the house, so you don't want them right up against the home or negative drainage back into the house, because these do produce a decent amount of water when they're in heating mode. These systems are very energy efficient in terms of like how much are you actually going to spend to heat and cool your house compared to natural gas. Right now in the Rochester area, you're going to be spending a little bit more to heat your house, but compared to oil, propane, or baseboard electric, these systems will save you money on your utility bills and your heating costs. And generally, cold climate air source heat pump systems are going to be more efficient than air conditioners in your market, in your region. There's a lot of other benefits that we could talk about, but if you're interested or need to upgrade your heating and cooling system, definitely consider an air source heat pump system as one of the options. Thanks for watching.